Another video about phones? Oh man, as if we weren't confused enough already. But we felt compelled to make this video because the fight in the Indian budget phone market is reaching new levels. Now there are so many phones entering the market that the mind simply boggles. Which one should I pick? Xiaomi is a brand that I can trust, but Realme is doing some amazing stuff. So what do I buy? Well, don't worry, we got you covered. We decided to compare the latest Realme phone, the Realme 2 and the Redmi Y2. Now both these phones are quickly becoming staples in the Indian budget phone market. Now these phones occupy the maximum mind space in the heads of value for money customers, and we decided to do just that. Figure out which phone gives you the maximum value for money. Alright, let's start with the display. Now the Redmi Y2 has a 5.99-inch screen, whereas the Realme 2 has a 6.2-inch screen with a 1520 by 720 pixel resolution. The Redmi Y2 has a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. Now the Realme 2 beats the Redmi Y2 hands down when it comes to the screen-to-body ratio, with a whopping 88.8% compared to a measly 75%. And to top things off, the Realme 2 is the first phone for under 10K to offer a notch screen. Now when it comes to cameras, the Realme 2 holds its own against the Redmi Y2. The back cameras are 13 plus 2 megapixel, the front camera is 8 megapixels, it supports AI, it doesn't come with a flash, but it does take pretty great selfies. The Redmi Y2 has a 16 megapixel front camera that comes with a flash and a 12 plus 5 megapixel back camera. So as you can see on this front, the contest is fairly even. Now when it comes to gaming, the Realme 2, fueled by an octa-core Snapdragon 450 and a 4GB RAM, gives the Redmi Y2 a solid challenge. Well, you don't believe us? Take a look at both the screens when we play PUBG. Now come the two areas where the Realme 2 is miles ahead of the Redmi Y2, the design and the battery. Now the Realme 2 follows the Realme 1 in design thought. In fact, the reflecting effect on the Realme 2 is an improvement on the Realme 1. The diamond cut design on the back makes you really want to admire it and hold it for a long time. And the Redmi Y2 is, well, a standard Redmi phone. It has a standard Redmi look. Now Xiaomi really needs to catch up with the rest of the world when it comes to the design race. The plastic that looks like metal effect is just not cutting it anymore. When it comes to battery, the Redmi Y2 has a 3080 mAh battery. The Realme 2 has a 4230 mAh high-capacity battery that guarantees the phone will have an extra long life. So it's really a no-brainer if you're looking to buy a budget phone. It's the Realme 2 all the way. The display, performance, design, camera and battery. Between the two smartphones, the Realme 2 truly offers the best cost value in the under 10K segment. So what are you waiting for? Go buy it! But before you go, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Bye!